Tickled to death, understanding English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we are going to explore the meaning and usage of a fascinating English phrase, tickled to death. This idiom can be quite puzzling, especially for English language learners, but don't worry. We're here to unravel its meaning and show you how to use it effectively in conversation. The phrase, tickled to death, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. So, when someone says they are tickled to death, they don't mean it literally. Instead, this phrase is used to express a high level of amusement or pleasure. It's like saying you are extremely happy or delighted about something. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in grasping their meanings better. The word tickled here refers to the sensation of being tickled physically, which causes laughter and amusement. The addition of to death is an exaggeration used to emphasize the intensity of the happiness or amusement, not a literal reference to death. This kind of exaggeration is common in many idioms across different languages. 1. Expressing joy. You can use tickled to death when you want to express that you are extremely pleased or delighted about something. For example, I was tickled to death when I got the job offer. 2. Reacting to good news. It's a great phrase to use when reacting to good news. For instance, my parents were tickled to death when they heard about my promotion. 3. In a light-hearted context. Remember, this phrase is informal and tends to be used in more casual or light-hearted situations. It might not be appropriate in very formal or serious contexts. Let's see some examples to understand it better. When she found out she had won the lottery, she was tickled to death. I was tickled to death to see my old friends at the reunion. He was tickled to death with the surprise birthday party we threw for him. We hope this video has been enlightening and you are now tickled to death to use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, idioms like these add color and personality to the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.